Double numbers will have a decimal point. So assume you have 45.85. That's your number, and you want to round that number into a kind of a rounded down version. So what you do is you have your parentheses, you have your integer number, and right after your integer number you need to place whatever you had at the upper case. So after that point you need to just print your price, and when you just hit run, your number will be 45, and the decimal point, the floating points will be discarded basically.